Hello everyone, this is Ria, your friend, and I hope everybody's doing great in lockdown. So today I decided to do a French braid. Actually, my daughter is going to do by herself. She's 11-year-old, and you can see this is her hair. It's quite thick, healthy, and she have a very good growth. So she gonna show you and explain you how she do French braid by her own. So yeah, here she go. She will explain you. So
Hello Mummy's friends, today I'll be showing you how to do a simple French braid. First, split your hair into 3 sections. Once you've done that, take sections from the side of your head and add them onto your braid. Keep braiding while with the sections and continue doing that until you've reached the height you want. You can do half a head of French braid, or you can complete it to the bottom with a normal braid. I decided to do it to the bottom because my hair is very thick and I have no idea how to handle it apart from putting in a braid or a pony or a bun. I'm doing in a French braid today because I wanted to try something new. I've only been doing French braids for about 3 days and I've only done them twice, and this is my 3rd time. I messed up on the other 2, but this one I've actually done a little bit better. I think I'll get better within time, but I don't know. In the other ones I did half a head of hair and put it into a half ponytail, and it looked actually very good. I suggest you try that as well if you want to let the rest of your hair down and give yourself a new look. But if you want to go more classic and modern, then I suggest you go all the way down to the bottom. I struggled a lot at the bottom doing the braid. I always do, because it's very hard because by that time my hands hurt a lot by doing it myself. But if someone else is doing for you, it'll be much easier because they don't have to bend their arms backwards and do the entire thing. I took a bit of time and proofed it out. If you want to have a more tight look, then you can leave it like that, or you can poof it out however you want. You can have lots of different ways to do this hairstyle. You can put in a half ponytail, a ponytail, or a full braid. I decided to do a full braid, obviously. Okay, that's it. I've just taught you how to do a French braid. Thanks for watching. Bye!